Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the really cool looking masked version of Ocean from Fortnite. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I will show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. And to begin, we're going to draw in her upper eyelid first. So right in the corner of the eye, we'll go up, and then just go across. And then same thing on the other side. So just kind of go up, round it out, and then just all the way across. Okay, so that's the upper eyelid, and then for the lower eyelid, we'll just come back down from the corner, and then come across. So it's almost like a little leaf shape. Come down, just come across. Okay, and let me make this a little bit thicker on the top. Okay, so that's the eye shape, and then for the eyeball, it's really simple. Just draw one little curve coming down from the top. And then on the inside here, I'm going to add another circle. That's going to be my highlight, and let me shade around this. Alright, and then from here, I'm going to draw in the eyebrow. So right in the middle right here in the corner, go up. So just one line across. Same thing here. Go up slightly and then just kind of come back down. Okay, so now let's go ahead and draw in the helmet. So right over the eyes right here, I draw one line across. I'm going to bracket down. So just curve right around the eye and then close it off with a flat line. Okay, so it's kind of looking like a ninja. Alright, and then from here, I'm going to extend this line on the top. So this is going to be the width of the helmet. And then from here, just kind of draw a big dome shape going up. Just round it out. Okay, and then from here, let's draw in the side of the helmet. So this thing is pretty big. We'll just flare out on the sides, down to here. And then before we close this, we're going to come down in the center. It's going to be a lot of space right here. Just draw one line across, about this wide. And then from here, whatever space you have here, just going to curve inwards and close that off. Okay, and I know, yeah, this part's a little bit tricky. So once we have this, we'll finish up the helmet. Just come down here. Just slant out, and then just come down. Alright, and then for some details right here, on this line, just gonna curve around. So it's almost like a little border. On the top here, right over the eye, just add two little slants like this first. And then just add a little angle to close it off. We're just adding some details. Okay, and then for the mouth area right here, right in the center of this whole shape, let's draw one little line across. And then come straight down. So that's gonna be one bar. Just let me fill this in real quick. Okay, and then we're gonna draw two more on one more on each side. So just come to the side, draw the two little lines, and then we'll just come straight down. So again, let me shade that in so we can see this a little bit better. Okay, so lastly, a little bit more detail on the helmet. Right here on the side. Just flare out and then just kind of come back in to the helmet. Alright, so that's a really cool looking helmet. So now let's continue down to the body. Right here on the corner, come straight down. So this is going to be part of the vest. Come back up here. This is gonna be a shoulder. It's gonna have a big collar here. Slant in a little bit past this, and then I'm gonna close it just with a little zigzag here. Okay, so it's kind of ripped up. One more section here, continue down. Close this off, leave a little bit of a space there. And then again, this thing's gonna be ripped, so just add one little angle. Okay, and then this is gonna be your hip or a waist. Continue down and then we'll flare this out. So this is gonna be the hip area and we'll close this off. Alright, so this is gonna be the torso, and to finish up the details right here, just one little curve. That's gonna be the collar, and then she's got a really big pendant here, so I'm just gonna add a little circle. Okay, so now let's draw in her arms, and right here is gonna be her armpit. Here's the shoulder. Just curve down from the armpit. And then for the lower arm, just one curve and a slight curve here. So we're all the way down here, and we'll just close that off. So this is gonna be the start of the glove. Okay, so let's draw on this side first. Here's the shoulder. Let's curve and come down. Come into the elbow. And then same thing here. It's one little curve. Same thing here on the inside. Okay, and then now for the glove. She's got those big gloves, so we'll extend the line. Just kind of taper in. That's gonna be her wrist. One little hook here for the thumb. Here's the back of the fist. And then just kind of angle right underneath the thumb right there. And let's just add one little detail right here, one little line, just to show the other fingers. Alright, so same thing here, we'll extend this. Taper into a wrist. Okay, one hook for the thumb, and then here's the back of the fist. And then again, just dip down and tuck it right underneath the thumb. And just one little line here. Alright, and I think she's got some straps up here. So I'm gonna add two little lines here. Alright, so now let's draw in her legs. So we'll come down right here in the center. Just one little line across, and then we'll come back up here. Continue this curve, just one big curve. And then the inside, just kind of slant out this side. So let's draw the same thing here, one big curve. All the way down to your knee right here. Okay, and then for the lower legs, this curve. And this one's gonna curve this way. And we'll just close it off with a little curve. So let's draw on this side. So we'll keep this simple, just draw like a really long bracket. Okay, and then for the foot or the shoe, come down, and then on this side, just come out a little bit more, and we'll close that off. Okay, same thing here. Come down and then just come out a little bit more on this side. Okay, so let's add in some details right here. I think she's got a little knee pad right here. So right at the knee, go up, and then another curve coming down. And let's add one line here. Alright, some more detail up here, and I think this is gonna be part of a jacket that's kind of folded downward. So right in the middle right here, just add one line across. And then we'll come in, just right in the center of the die. Go out, and then one little line here. Okay, and then for the little pouch right here, so right in the corner, we'll just slant up, and then whatever slant you have here, just draw another slant, so we'll turn that into a bar. And then on the top, just continue. We'll hook this back in. And then let's add some detail in the center. One line, let's go out. And I think these are shells, so we'll add a few lines here. Alright, so that is it for this masked version of Ocean. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.